You are God coming to life. So again, I will say, hello, beautiful childrens. Hello, child of God. You are the child of God. You are the child of God coming to know about yourself. When you look into yourself as the child of God, you know that you are God made in flesh. You see, this is different, very different from the thought that you have been thinking that God is outside of yourself. No, God's here right now. You are being that, the child of God in the planet Earth. So, hello, beautiful child of God. It's an honor to serve with you. It's an honor to be here with you. It's very, very good that you are knowing this. It's very good that you know that you are a child of God because this take you into the spiritual life. Spiritual life means that our spiritual world is around you. You see, there's spirits everywhere. There's a lot of help from heavens coming to your land, into your mind, into your body. You see, this is the help of the heavens coming to your life. You are perceiving that now because you are a child of God. A child of God is looking into life with the mind of God, with the look of God, knowing that you are God made manifest, made materialized, made flesh in bones. You see, you are a child of God. Why I'm coming back into that phrase all over and over again? You are a child of God. Hello, beautiful children. There's childs of God all over the place. Even nature is a child of God. You see how much you can grow inside of yourself so you can become owner of your life. So you can become proud of yourself, made manifest. Child of God is God made manifest. This is the only matter. This is the only subject that really matters in your life. What else are you thinking about of? What else are you spending your time if not with being child of God here on earth, receiving the blessings from the heavens, the most magnificent magic of God, the angels blessing your life. You have to believe it, unless you need to see it. If you need to see it so you can receive, so it maybe never happens with you. Maybe you will be waiting forever and you lose the chance. The chance is right here, right now, so you can become yourself again, the child of God. Unleash your power, unleash the mind of God in the world, knowing that everybody is a child of God. It's yourself in the mirror. Everybody is just like it. You must win in love, in wisdom, in purity, in greatness, radiant, in the way that God would like to see it, in the way that God would like to see it.